Discover the breathtaking beauty of the Dolomites with Explore the World. From majestic limestone peaks and serene alpine lakes to thrilling via ferrata routes and charming local festivals, the Dolomites offer a unique adventure for every traveler. Join us as we uncover the natural wonders of this stunning Italian mountain range. For more incredible travel content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Explore the World. A geological masterpiece, the Dolomites are famed for their unique geological composition, which contributes to their distinctive, rugged appearance. Formed over millions of years, the range is characterized by its pale limestone cliffs that glow a brilliant pink and orange during sunrise and sunset. This striking color phenomenon is a result of the mineral dolomite, from which the range gets its name. Geologists and nature lovers alike marvel at these formations, which are as educational as they are breathtaking. Hiking and outdoor adventures for outdoor enthusiasts, the Dolomites present an extensive network of trails and paths that cater to all levels of hikers. From leisurely walks to challenging alpine routes, the options are as diverse as the scenery. The Tracime di Lovredo, with its iconic 3 peaks, is one of the most celebrated hikes, offering panoramic views that are worth every step. Similarly, the Alta Via routes, a series of long-distance trails, provide an immersive experience into the heart of the mountains. Scenic beauty, the Dolomites are home to some of the most picturesque landscapes in Europe. The serene Lago di Bray, often referred to as the Pearl of the Dolomites, is a must-visit. Its turquoise waters, framed by the surrounding peaks, create a perfect mirror effect that's ideal for photographs. Another gem is the Alpe di Siusi, the largest high-altitude meadow in Europe, where rolling hills and traditional wooden chalets create a quintessential alpine setting. Wildlife and flora, the diverse habitats of the Dolomites support a rich array of wildlife. You might spot marmots, chamois, and, if you're lucky, the elusive ibex. Birdwatchers will delight in seeing species such as the golden eagle and the alpine chough. The flora is equally impressive, with alpine flowers like edelweiss and alpine roses adding splashes of color to the rugged terrain. Cultural heritage, the Dolomites are not just a natural wonder, they also boast a rich cultural heritage. The region is home to various Sardine-speaking communities, whose traditions and cuisine add another layer of charm. Enjoy hearty mountain dishes like speck, cured ham, and canederli dumplings in traditional mountain huts, and immerse yourself in the local culture. Planning your visit, the best time to visit the Dolomites depends on your interests. Summer offers endless opportunities for hiking and climbing, while winter transforms the region into a snowy wonderland, perfect for skiing and snowboarding. Spring and autumn are quieter, with fewer crowds and a chance to experience the changing seasons in a more tranquil setting. In summary, the Dolomites are a natural masterpiece that captivates visitors with their stunning landscapes, diverse wildlife, and rich cultural heritage. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or a blend of both, this enchanting region of Italy promises an unforgettable experience. So pack your bags, lace up your hiking boots, and get ready to explore one of Europe's most spectacular natural wonders. Unique experiences in the Dolomites. Beyond the classic hiking and sightseeing, the Dolomites offer a range of unique experiences that cater to different interests. Via ferrata adventures, for those looking for a bit of adrenaline, the Dolomites are renowned for their via ferrata routes, protected climbing paths equipped with steel cables, ladders, and bridges. These routes offer a thrilling way to explore the rugged terrain, providing breathtaking views while ensuring safety. Popular routes like the Via Ferrata del Boccetta and the Via Ferrata Punta Anna offer varying levels of difficulty and stunning panoramas. Mountain biking, the Dolomites are a paradise for mountain biking enthusiasts. Trails like the Sella Ronda and the Val Gardena have become renowned in the biking community for their challenging courses and spectacular views. The region offers everything from downhill tracks to cross-country routes, catering to both seasoned bikers and beginners. Cultural festivals and events throughout the year. The Dolomites host a variety of cultural festivals and events that celebrate local traditions, music, and cuisine. The Festa de la Madonna di Senale in Val di Fossa and the Weihnachtsmärkte, Christmas markets, are among the highlights, offering a chance to experience local customs and sample regional delicacies. Spa and wellness retreats. After a day of exploring, unwind at one of the Dolomites' luxurious spa and wellness retreats. Many hotels and resorts in the region offer wellness centers with panoramic mountain views, where you can relax in saunas, hot tubs, and enjoy rejuvenating treatments. The thermal baths in the nearby town of Murano are also a popular choice for relaxation. Sustainable travel. As the Dolomites become increasingly popular, it's important to consider sustainable travel practices. Respecting local wildlife, staying on designated trails, and reducing waste helps preserve the natural beauty of the region for future generations. Many local businesses and accommodations are committed to sustainability, so supporting eco-friendly options can enhance your travel experience while contributing to conservation efforts. Getting there and getting around. Reaching the Dolomites is relatively straightforward. The nearest major airports are in Venice and Innsbruck, both of which are within a few hours' drive. From there, rental cars or public transportation, trains and buses, can get you into the heart of the mountains. Once in the Dolomites, having a car is often the most convenient way to explore the region's diverse landscapes. However, there are also well-connected local bus services and guided tours available for those who prefer not to drive. Accommodations. The Dolomites offer a wide range of accommodation options, from luxury hotels and cozy chalets to charming bed and breakfasts and self-catering apartments. For a truly immersive experience, consider staying in a traditional mountain hut, refugio, where you can enjoy local hospitality and unparalleled views. Final thoughts. Exploring the Dolomites is more than just a journey through stunning landscapes. It's an opportunity to connect with nature, immerse yourself in a rich cultural tapestry, and embrace adventure in one of Europe's most breathtaking regions. Whether you're gazing at the sunrise over the peaks, hiking through verdant meadows, or savoring a traditional meal, the Dolomites promise an experience that will linger long after you've returned home. So, embrace the spirit of exploration, pack your sense of wonder, and let the natural wonders of the Dolomites captivate your heart and soul. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more travel adventure and exploring the world.